Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to change the jump sound in Roblox Studio. So firstly, open the Roblox Studios and go to the My Game section. From here, open the game you want to change your jump sound in. After selecting the game, let the game load properly first. After the game loads, click on the play button. Now from the Explorers tab, open the Starter Player folder. Then open the Starter Player script folder. Now copy the RBX Character Sounds script file. Now stop the game. Go to the Starter Player folder again, and again go to Starter Player script. Then paste into this folder the file you just copied. Now open it. From here you have to find the jumping section. So on the 33rd line you will find the jumping section, and in the sound ID you will add the changed volume that you want to add it as the jumping sound. So as an example, I will get a sound from the Roblox website using the toolbox section. So under audio tab, I'll just type jump. After selecting the jump sound, we will see the lot of jump sounds have appeared in here. I'll just select any one of them. So here is a jump sound. I'll select it as the file. So click on the magnifying button, then click on the three dots here. After that, click on copy asset ID. Now in the jumping section, we will paste it like this. And after asset, we'll just type in ID. And now the jump sound is changed. Now if we click on the play button, we'll see that the new sound is playing.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.